I love the buildings here at Riverside. It reminds me more of like the mansion style homes of New Orleans. And of course, when you think of mansion homes in New Orleans, you think of Disneyland's Haunted Mansion. And that's what I see when I come here. You know, the railing and the columns and all that. Get Haunted Mansion vibes. So we just finished our 18-hour car ride from Long Island, so obviously a little tired, but we're going to see if our room is ready, maybe head over to the French Quarter to go in the pool there, and just relax a little as we kick off our Disney vacation. Alright, we are here at the Port Orleans Riverside. We are in room 9708. We just got here. We're walking into our room right now. Let's check this out. Wow. This is cool. So we just got here. Don't even have our bags in yet. But you walk in, really cool flooring here. Walk in, your AC unit, a nice little blue top to it. This is... gives you royal blue vibes, you know. We got Prince Adam, Prince Aladdin, Prince Eric, and Prince Charming. A little note here. What's this note say? Welcome all. We are so excited for you to stay with us. And so on and so on. Little coffee maker. How you doing? And we got some more princes over here. Prince Eugene, Prince Naveen, Prince Philip, and the Prince from Snow White. I think it's Prince Florence, right? Cool little TV area here with some backlight to it on top, which looks really cool. Some storage here. Looks like we got fridge, and then some big old boys for clothes. And really cool beds over here. Really cool. Yes, Tiana, Princess and the Frog themed. Very cool. And same over here. Very cool. And look at this wall of all the Disney princesses. How cute. We got Jasmine, Snow White, Cinderella, Ariel, Rapunzel, Belle, and Aurora. Very cool. And look up top here. The little around, if I can get close enough. You got little decals. We got the lamp over there. We got Jack and Gus Gus. We got the fairies. Merryweather. I'm blanking on them, but yeah, they're there. And that's so cute all around. And look at this little light up top here. Oh man, you got Tiana. This is very cool. I'm gonna flip this light on real quick. Like I said, we literally just walked into the room. Our bags are sitting outside. Really cool. So this blue matches the AC unit, which is nice touches of continuity. That's what it's called. Cool looking faucet here. Looks like the lamp from Aladdin. Get some hangers over here. Ironing board. And you have that going around again. We got some characters. Pascal. Bray. Sebastian, Scuttle. I think that's the turtle and chipmunk from Snow White. Maybe. All right, let's check out the bathroom here. Toilets. I gotta say, it's a little boring in here. You got pretty basic tiles. You're not H2O product. I'm a little surprised they didn't give a little more detail. You got a cool little shower curtain. Looks like Little Mermaid inspired with the Snork Black and a Dingle Hopper. But yeah, a little drab in here, not gonna lie. You'd have the blue here. Again, nice little touch with the blue. Matches the sink and the whatnot, but no, this is a really, really cute room. I'm just going to point out really quick some of the USBs, if there are any. So you have your outlets there. I don't see any USBs there. I don't see any USBs there either. Maybe there aren't USBs in this room. And I just said USBs like 7 times in a row. Little connector here. And this is cute, little Cinderella themed coat rack. So that's the tour right there. This is your Port Orleans Riverside Princess Room. Very adorable. So we're here at Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory, and we actually ordered a whole pizza, which you can do here. You can order a whole pie, you get this box, and it comes with -1 slice because Grayson already took his and he's about to inhale it because he's starving. And yeah, so just a little tip. It's a full-on pizza. It's $21, and yeah, just in case you and the family are hungry. Oh, tip for you. And look how cute this is. Oh boy, pizza's here. Something smells good. Let's eat. We hope you're hungry. Thanks, guys. So we are walking back from the French Quarter right now to Riverside. We actually went to the pool there because we wanted to go on the slide and do the splash area with the kids and stuff like that. But now we're walking back. We've never really walked this before, so we don't really know we don't really know what we're doing, but we think we can do it. Here comes one of the boats. There are buses that take you back and forth between the resorts. I think there are boats that there are boats too. The boats will take you to the resorts and to Disney Springs too, which we're about to do. We are actually going to go back to the room, kind of change, and then we're going to head over to Disney Springs for dinner. That's the plan here. But yeah, so let's see if we can do this. We don't know if we can walk it. If we can walk, and we're not sure how long it's going to take, but we'll let you guys know. We'll keep you informed. Alright, so there is a sign here. So this is the walkway. We're not just aimlessly walking with no purpose. This is... You're on the right track. We got a little Toy Story bus coming by. Toy Story. So we've probably been walking for about like 5 minutes already. And now we're at the bridge and we could see Riverside right in the distance. Almost there. There goes one of the other river boats. Heading over to Riverside and then on to Disney Springs. And here we go. Our room is right over there. So we just got to cross this little bridge here. And then we're there. All right, and we are back at our building here. So total time, I want to say it was probably about 15 minutes. It took to walk over from the pool at French Quarter to our room here at Riverside. Very nice walk. It's around 5 o'clock right now, so it's not too hot, but If it is one of those brutal days and it's a million degrees out, I could see that being a problem. Alright, I forgot to point out, look at these headboards. Oh, wow. Look at that, look how cute that is. Some little fireworks in the headboards. There's a little button on the side here that if you press it, it sets off these little fireworks. How cute is that? A little extra magic. So we are now headed on the boat over to Disney Springs. One of the reasons we love staying at the Port Orleans resorts is we could just take the boat right over. It's super convenient. So we're going to check out some of the stores, some of the Halloween merchandise, and go have some dinner. So here we are, World of Disney, here at Disney Springs, fully prepared for Halloween. Let's check out some of the stuff that they got. So these are actually on sale right now. They have these really cool Mickey wreaths that you see in the park, and they light up. Usually $100. Now they're $75. Very tempting. These are really cute. And these are the Mickey plushes they have this year. You can see him in his little wizard outfit, it looks like. Very cute. More of the Halloween merchandise. You have Goofy as the Scarecrow, Mickey as the Wizard, and this kind of zip-up hoodie. And this is $70. And this pumpkin Mickey and Donald and Pluto and Goofy, that's adorable. I'm gonna guess this is $65. That's usually what the button-ups are. Yep, $65. And over here we've been seeing these more and more popular, these kind of baseball jersey looking things. And this is very cool with the 71. Sorry. And that is $75. Also a promotion going on right now for these Halloween tote bags. Very cute. You see Mickey in that wizard outfit with Minnie. Let's see. Costume of the season. $29.99 with a purchase of $40 or more. These Mickey bowls, I guess they are. The Mickey pumpkin bowls. Jacqueline really likes these. We might pick one of them up this time. They were at $29.99. These Figment water bottle holders, I guess they're called. They're adorable. These are really cool. $64.99. A little pricey. But these are really nice. So these Nightmare Before Christmas ornaments look like they're pretty new. A lot of really cool designs. Ranging from like $25.99 to $30. It's really cool. So we are having dinner tonight at Terralina, an Italian restaurant. This is actually located right in between Paddlefish and the T-Rex restaurant, kind of in that area. We've been here once before, and the food was alright, but the service was really slow. But we're going to give it another shot tonight. And here is the menu that is outside of Terralina. Some appetizers, some salads, pizzas, pastas, entrees, some steaks, sides, sandwiches, cocktails. the kids menu there at the bottom. You know, as a vegetarian, I always eye that eggplant parmesan. That always calls to me, but once we get inside, I'll see how the mood's striking me.
Okay. Ready? Watch. Ready?
Yay! Good job, Lily! And with that, I think we're going to call it a night here at Disney Springs. We had so much fun today. We are kicking off our Disney vacation. We just finished our 18-hour car ride from Long Island, so we didn't go too crazy today, but we still did a lot. We checked out the resort, we went to the pool, and we had a great time here at Disney Springs. So we're going to head back, we're going to rest up, and then tomorrow we're heading over to Epcot to celebrate Lily's first birthday. So we're going to have a fun day there. So be sure to subscribe. Don't miss that video because it's going to be a lot of fun. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for supporting the channel, and we'll see you guys soon.